Okay, I'm in Nebraska on the 80, and I'm getting off at exit 312 up here. I decided to do a video about this truck stop because I like it, sorta. Shut up! There she is. Pilot, Bosselman Travel Center, Thunder Road Grill, Subway, Little Caesars. Haiti. Shut the fuck up! Alright, that might make a good thumbnail. We'll see. Alright, I need a fuel here. I just picked a random spot. Looks like that guy's leaving. I won't show you refueling. Oh, this guy's gonna take his. I don't fucking understand this shit. It's always crowded here. Guess I'll go parked right over there. I've never parked here before. I've just stopped up there. This is only like the third or fourth time I've been here. I like it though. Okay, parked kind of close. Not that bad. Let's go inside and check it out. It's daytime, and I don't like to record people without their permission, so we'll see how that goes. I'll try to get some footage in there. They got a lot of stuff in there. My first trip in, I'm going to shower and grab some Little Caesars, a lot of Little Caesars, so I could have food for the next couple days. Because I think when I'm in Wyoming, I might just pull over to the side of the road for the night. We'll see. And then I'll go back in. They also got a massage place I'll check out. Not sure if I'm going to get a massage. We'll see. Good shower, nice hot water. Also, they had soap. Last two truck stops I stopped at. They didn't refill the soap, and I had to use my own. And it was good soap. So yeah, decent shower.
I don't make the rules, I just gotta follow them, boss. Right.
Alright.
Well, hey, you have yourself a wonderful day, alright?
Alright, easy.
How you doing, boss man?
Mind if I film you?
Yes.
What's your name?
Casey.
Nice to meet you, Casey.
Nice to meet you, boss.
You like working here?
Yeah, I love it, man.
Two large pepperoni for 14 bucks. So that's a really good deal. Yesterday in Missouri, I spent $17 at Wendy's on 3 junior bacon cheeseburgers and a Frosty. So this is 2 or 3 days worth of food for 14 bucks. A Little Caesars reheated is better than fresh truck stop pizza most of the time. So awesome. Oh yeah, those vapes, the vapes I normally buy. 15 bucks. Normally they're at a minimum like 22 up to 35 bucks at most places. That's why I like this truck stop. And you buy 7 vapes, you get 1 free. Good stuff. They also have a market in there. It's not as big as most supermarkets, but it's bigger than like most truck stops. Tattoo place, chapel, chiropractor, interesting driver's lounge. Okay, I forgot to get some footage inside the market. Basically, just think of your average supermarket and have it. They got a lot of stuff in there, but it's, you know, truck stop prices, but a lot more variety than most truck stops. That massage was good. I told her hard on my back and medium on the rest of my body. So she did medium on my back and soft on the rest of my body. So, you know, no happy ending or anything. She will massage your butt. What happened was, even though I prefer a harder massage, it was very relaxing, and I fell asleep. I got an hour massage, and then she talked me into getting 2 hours, like when my hour was up, and it was very, very relaxing, and I had trouble sleeping, so it knocked me the fuck out, and I slept for like 10 or 15 minutes of the massage. It was a nice massage, and I don't know, they got a gift card. You could get 10 massages, and you pay for 10 massages or 10 hours, and then you get an hour free. I don't know that I'll ever be back here, but I do really, really like this place. Hey guys, I'm putting this video together, and there's something I want to say about Nebraska. It's one of my top states, probably in the top 5. It's a good state to drive in. I have to say it here because I'm using Nebraska as an April Fool's video, and so, you know, it's going to be real short, and it's going to be not really my feelings on Nebraska. But since this place is in Nebraska, I just wanted to say that I like to drive in Nebraska. One thing, it's got too many scales, but they're usually closed.